Before the Lasik procedure, I started negotiating when and where I would go at night, depending upon if I had to drive and how far I had to drive. This is what comes with compromised vision. It's not always clear for others to see. It's not always known by those who are around you. But once night falls and you know that your vision is changing, these are things that start going in your head. I remember thinking, wait a minute, this is what the old people do. No, baby, I don't drive at night anymore. I'm like, wait. I'm about to be that girl. After the procedure, my vision was restored. Now, I have what's called the monovision, where they correct one eye for distance and one eye for close-up for reading. And in time, your brain actually adjusts. I was looking for change. I was looking for freedom, for options, and I'm like, get out of my head. I'm not the doctor here. Let me trust the science. Let me trust the technology, and it works. So if you are watching this and if you're listening to this and you've just decided to just cope, you don't have to. There are options that will work. My friends will tell you, if LaRita Shelby says something, it's so. Nobody can pay me any amount of money to say anything that I don't believe is true, that I don't believe is so, that I don't believe that will work. I'm sharing my story because I would love to know of others who can and will experience the same joy, the same restoration of their vision, and the confidence that goes along with that.
We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.